Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we'll study a lesson which is a game of chance. So as the title suggests, it is about a game of chance that is your luck. Maybe by luck you could win good prizes or you could lose also. So this is a story about a young boy named Rashid who went to an Eid fair with his uncle and his bhaiya, servant working with them. So he went over there and he saw all the shops and he came near a lucky shop. It was titled as Lucky Shop, and over there he was tempted to play that game. And what happened? Did he win some prize or not? Let's see. Before that, let's see who are the main characters in this story. So the main characters are Rashid, the little young boy, his uncle, the servant whom he called as Bhaiya, shopkeeper, the owner of that lucky shop, old man and a young man. They were two persons who played at the lucky shop and they won beautiful prizes by which Rashid was tempted to play the game. Let's start summarizing the story. So what happened? There was an Eid fair. Eid is although a one day festival, but yeah, there was a fair which held on the occasion of Eid for about a week. So on that fair, everyone used to come over there, gather over there. Even the tradesmen find it a good opportunity to come over there to sell their product. ईद वाले मेले में बहुत सारे ट्रेड्समैन आते थे क्योंकि उनको ये लगता था एक बहुत अच्छा मौका है अपने प्रोडक्ट की प्रदर्शनी करने का और अपने प्रोडक्ट को इजीली बेचने का। और ये कहा जाता था कि उस मेले में एक पिन से लेकर बफेलो तक, मतलब जितने भी ज़रूरी आइटम्स हैं सारे के सारे वहाँ पर इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाते थे। तो राशिद अपने अंकल के साथ और भैया के साथ उस मेले में जाता है और वो वहाँ पर घूमने के लिए, और वहाँ पे जो भी शॉप्स हैं वो सब देख रहा होता है, घूम रहा होता है। Suddenly what happened? Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met few of his friends. अब अंकल थे सबसे बड़े, वो उन्हें लेकर जा रहे थे मेले में, उस भीड़ में से उन्हें निकाल रहे थे, वो लेकर जा रहे थे, वो उन्हें दिखा रहे थे। तो अचानक से क्या हुआ, अंकल को उनके कुछ मित्र मिल गए जो अंकल से कहने लगे कि आप हमारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए। सो अंकल took the permission of Rashid and Bhaiya and instructed them not to go too far in the fair. Just room nearby. I am here only. Don't purchase anything. When I'll come, then I'll buy gifts for you. But you do not purchase anything. You just take a round of the fair and don't go too far. So saying these words, uncle went. Now what happened? Bhaiya and Rashid, they both started roaming here and there, and they came close to a lucky shop. Okay. So what was there in the lucky shop? There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. Now they had a disc. They had a table. On that table there were discs which was on which there was number written 1 to 10, and it was kept on the table in the opposite direction. Means you cannot see the numbers. Numbers was hidden from the person. And what was the game? You have to pay 50 paisa. Pick up 6 discs. There are numbers on that disc. You have to add the numbers, and what is the total of your number, that item will be given to you. The marked numbered item will be given to you. So an old man came over there. He paid 50 paisa. He picked up 6 discs and he played the game. And what happened? His total was marked as 15. Okay, so what happened? He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. Now the article 15 was a beautiful clock which was given to the old man, but the old man doesn't want the clock. So he said, I do not want the clock. So what the shopkeeper did? Shopkeeper purchased that clock from him worth rupees 15. He paid the old man 15 rupees and he took back the clock from him. So the old man received 15 rupees in and how much did he pay? He paid only 50 paise and he received 15 rupees. So he was too happy. After some time, a young boy came over there, so he also tried to try his luck. And when he started trying, firstly he got he had received a comb, but he didn't want it, so the shopkeeper took it back worth rupees 25 paise. Then he played again, and this time he got a fountain pen, okay, worth rupees 3. Then he played for the third time. Then he tried a third time and got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. So third time when he played, he got a wristwatch, and he was the wristwatch cost worth rupees 25. And then he played for the fourth time, and this time he got a table lamp worth rupees 10. So he got so many articles, and the boy seeing these things, that how this young boy was playing and how he was getting so beautiful gifts and costly also playing worth rupees 50, paying worth rupees 50 paisa. So he was much attracted towards the game, and he wanted to play the game. So he looked at Bhaiya. Bhaiya also encouraged him. He said, okay, you should play the game. Okay, so I paid 50 paise and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. So what happened कि वो भी अपना 50 पैसे देता है और वो भी गेम खेलने लग जाता है, लेकिन वो क्या कह रहा है कि मेरा लक इतना अच्छा नहीं था। जब मैं खेलने लगा तो उससे पहले 2 पेंसिल्स मिली जो 25 पैसे की थी। फिर उसने आगे खेला तो उसे इंक, बॉटल ऑफ इंक मिली, वो भी 25 पैसे की थी। इस तरह से वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली क्या खेलता गया। ठीक है। I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 पैसे each time. वो बार बार खेलता गया और उसको ये उम्मीद थी कि मैं भी जो है उस बच्चे की तरह या उस ओल्ड मैन की तरह जो है कॉस्टली आइटम्स को जीतूंगा। तो इस तरह से वो खेलता गया और उसने अपने सारे पैसे ख़त्म कर दिए। लास्ट में उसके पास 25 पैसे ही बचे थे। वो भी शॉपकीपर ने फिर उसको बोला कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, तुम, उसने इतने सारे गेम्स खेल लिए थे तो उसने कहा कि कोई बात नहीं, आप एक गेम और खेल लो 25 पैसे का। तो वो कहता है कि जो लास्ट मेरे पास 25 पैसे बचे थे वो भी चले गए, खत्म हो गए। और वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग खड़े थे वो सब जो है मुझे ऊपर हंसने लग गए। किसी ने भी मुझे सिंपैथी नहीं दिखाई, सब मेरे ऊपर हंसने लग गए। तो वो उदास हो गया और उदास होकर भैया और राशिद जो है वापस उसी जगह चले गए जहाँ पर अंकल ने बोला था कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हूँ। तो वहीं पे आ गए। कुछ देर में अंकल आ गए। अंकल ने राशिद को देखा तो राशिद बहुत ही दुखी लग रहा था। तो भैया ने अंकल को सारी स्टोरी बताई कि किस तरह से राशिद ने उस लकी शॉप में खेला और उसने अपने सारे पैसे वहाँ पर खो दिए। तो अंकल ना ही गुस्सा हुए, ना ही अंकल ने उसे कुछ कहा, बस उन्होंने उसकी पीठ थपथपाई। एंड अंकल took Rashid with him. He purchased him a beautiful umbrella. He bought him biscuits, sweets and some gifts, and then they returned home. When they returned home, Rashid was talking to his uncle, that old man and the young boy, they had received so beautiful gifts, but I was unable to get any of the gifts. My luck is too hard. It was not my good luck, it was my bad luck today. So uncle told him that they were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. ओके कि वो तो सारे जो हैं वो शॉपकीपर के दोस्त ही थे और वो सिर्फ तुम्हें अट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे ताकि तुम अपना लक आजमाओ और लक आजमाने के लिए तुम इस गेम को खेलो। सो दे वर जस्ट प्लेइंग ट्रिक्स टू टेम्प्ट यू। एंड देन अंकल टोल्ड हिम, नाउ डोंट बी डिसअपॉइंटेड, डोंट बी सैड, इट्स ओके, बट डोंट बी अ फूल अगेन. They had only made you a fool. Okay, so don't be a fool again, be careful next time. तो अंकल ने उसे समझाया and he was now okay, he was ashamed of his foolishness and uncle told him not to tell anyone about it, about your foolishness. तो अंकल ने उसे बोला कि आप अपने इस बेवकूफ़ी के बारे में किसी को मत बताना और आगे से आप सावधान रहना. So students, this is a story of a young boy Rashid about how he was made fool by a shopkeeper in the fair, and because of that he was disappointed. He didn't won big prizes which was he was hoping to win, and his uncle made him understand that this was all tricks played by the shopkeeper to take his money. I hope you have understood this story. Let's quickly summarize it. In this story, Rashid, uncle and Bhaiya went to a fair. where uncle met his friends, and he wanted to spend some time with his friends. So he went with them and asked Rashid and Bhaiya to take a round in the fair, but not to go too far and also not to purchase anything. But what happened, Rashid and Bhaiya was attracted by a lucky shop in which an old man won a beautiful clock worth rupees 15, and then a young boy also got some beautiful precious gifts worth rupees 25 and 10 rupees. So the both the boys, Rashid and Bhaiya, were attracted to them and they wanted to play the game. So Bhaiya encouraged Rashid to play the game, and Rashid started playing the game. He continuously paid on 50 paisa again and again, but all the time what he got was a trifle. Trifle means an article of low value, not so much costly, but a cheap article. So every time he got a trifle, and in this manner he had spent all his money. He had left with nothing, and then he went back to the place where uncle was about to meet them. When uncle came, he asked about the matter. Bhaiya told him the matter, that how Rashid had spent all his money, but uncle didn't send him anything. He bought some precious some gifts for him, that biscuits, sweets, and some umbrella and other gifts he bought for him. And they went back to home, and uncle made him understand that the shopkeeper and the two other persons had made fool of Rashid. They had played tricks to tempt him to take his money, and Rashid had been a fool of them. Okay students, I hope you have understood this story. If you have any query related to this story, you are free to call me anytime. Till then, take care. Bye bye.